In today's episode, the legendary Hayabusa needs an oil change. Let's see together what's all about. We've prepared with the necessary parts. Let's do it! We start by removing the right side fairing. There are 3 screws at the top that can be removed with 5mm Allen key. We must remember to have the engine running to heat the oil. At the bottom, towards the front wheel, we have 3 more mounts with 3 screws that will be removed with the same 5mm Allen key. We have another attachment point near the brake pedal. In my case, this screw was rounded off. I will use a Torx T27 to unlock this screw. We remove the other screws, the crash pad and also the clamp. I arrange them in the order they will remove. This will help me later. Next to the front wheel, on the inside we have 3 more screws. The last fixing point, see in the picture, and we can remove the fairing. And now we have access to the filter and the oil pan. I know the engine is a little bit dirty and has some leaks. I will deal with that in the next episodes. In this case we have an RC type filter that can be removed with a normal wrench. When removing the filter, some of the oil will fall over the exhaust. Be very careful to clean it afterwards. Check the drain plug. On the drain plug I found parts of aluminum thread, which means the repair will be a little bit more complicated. There are specialized kits for this repair. They include tap, plug and sealing washer. Since the thread pitch of the oil plug for this bike is 1.25 and the kit comes for a pitch of 1.5, I will only give you an example of how the repair should be done. In our case, for an M14 thread, will be use a tap for an M15 thread. That means 1mm increase. After the thread will be done, we will take a plug and a sealing washer from the kit and we will screw them into the oil pan. The plug must be tightened to the torque specs.
Here we go.
The reason why the original thread was damaged is the fact that the plug had previously been tightened multiple times at a much higher torque. I recommend lubricating the filter gasket to avoid this breakage and possible leaks. The filter should not be tightened very strong, it should only have a firm grip. We add oil up to the level and everything is ready. Not really, since I will have to change the oil pan, deal with the other small problems that have arisen in the meantime, and in the same time to continue this topic, I will wait you for a new episode on this channel. Thank you!